Welcome back, everybody. 26 is about spring and mass system. Okay, first of all, look at it. Talk about the period. So remember, what is the period of a spring mass system? Is 2 pi square root. Yeah, you don't need to remember it. Just look it up from the data booklet. Square root m over k. Okay, it said that the mass doubled, and so we need to find out what is the change of the spring constant. It's a strange setup with two spring, one left and one right. Okay, a little bit hard, but you just get, okay, if the mass is displaced to the right by x, what will happen to the forces? The first, this one is extended, so it will have a normal force F to the left, right? And this one is a compressed. It will also has a spring force to the left. Oh, so the two forces reinforce. Okay, each spring have a force F, but they double, so becomes 2F. So what is the spring constant? Remember, F equals Kx. So the effective spring constant equals F over X. Now we have the normal displacement X, but the force doubles, so the spring constant doubles. Oh, so K doubles and m doubles. Look at the question. Both the numerator and the denominator double. So any change? No, no change. So what's the answer? Oh, the answer is A, the same period. So sometimes you might be careful. The most simple answer, the thing that you think you can neglect it, might be the answer. So be careful. Thank you.